Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the world of resin 3D printing with a showdown between the ELEGOO Mars 4 and the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS. Let's get printing! First up, let's talk money. The ELEGOO Mars 4 is priced at a wallet-friendly $249. Reviewers appreciate its affordability, noting that it's like skipping a few fancy dinners for some serious 3D magic. On the other hand, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS costs $375. While it's a bit pricier, reviewers believe the quality justifies the cost, likening it to buying a small island. Next, let's zoom in on resolution. The Mars 4 boasts a 7-inch 9K mono LCD with an 18 micrometers XY resolution, which reviewers say is sharper than grandma's knitting needles. However, the Sonic Mini 8KS hits back with a 22 micrometers resolution, which reviewers describe as providing incredible detail, almost like seeing every pore on a model's face. Next up, build volume. The Mars 4 offers a spacious 153.36 x 77.76 x 175 cubic millimeters. Reviewers find it sufficient for a variety of prints, from small models to miniatures. The Sonic Mini 8KS doesn't specify its build volume here, but users generally appreciate its capacity for detailed prints. Reviews suggest that while it might not be the largest, it's versatile for most needs. The Mars 4 uses a COB light source for uniform exposure. Reviewers appreciate this feature for providing consistent print quality. The Sonic Mini 8KS, although less specified in its light source, is praised for delivering smooth surfaces with up to 50% less layer lines, creating a highly polished finish. For the newbies out there, Mars 4 is super user-friendly with a 3.5-inch touchscreen, model preview function, and real-time progress bar. Reviewers highlight its ease of use and quick learning curve. The Sonic Mini 8KS also claims to be suitable for everyone and is compatible with most slicers. Users describe it as versatile and ready for anything, much like a Swiss Army knife. And if things go south, ELEGOO's got your back with a professional technical support team that responds within 24 hours. Reviewers appreciate the quick and effective support. Phrozen also promises simplicity and ease of use for beginners. While some users had issues with customer service, others found the product to be a good value for the money, especially for new users. Overall, reviews for the ELEGOO Mars 4 highlight its affordability, sharp resolution, and user-friendly features. Users appreciate the quick customer support and find it a great value for money. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS garners praise for its detailed prints and versatile use. However, some users have had mixed experiences with customer service and file compatibility. And there you have it, folks. The battle of the resin 3D printers. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart buying tips. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart.